Hey Sam Fam, today I am tackling a battle of epic proportions. Getting out of bed every morning? No. Fighting that guy from the Old Spice commercials? Terry Crews? Heck no. Wrestling a blue whale? I think that's a very literal answer, but no! Today I'll be cleaning up this. Yes, I bet every single one of you has this. The spaghetti ball of cables that seem to instantly knot themselves into a Flemish loop, anchor bend, or any other fancy sailing term here. My video sponsor First Star Value sent me a bunch of these! No, this is not the next Tide Pod challenge, though they do look tasty. No, these little guys are silicone cable clips with an adhesive back. You get about a dozen of them. They come in these colors. Look below in the video description to click a link and pick a pack of colorful, clutter-free cable clips. I friggin' did it! Guys, I have a very mobile setup. I move my laptop from inside constantly to the studio and to the living room and back, and I probably waste another 10 minutes every time I come out just setting things up. So these guys are pretty easy to use. You just peel the backing and stick them to any surface. I suggest wiping it down like I did, because mountains of dust. And bam go! Bingam! Voila! Great! Good job, me. Thanks. So, here's the before. And now... Ooh, clutter-free. Now what do I do with this? If you want more info on these cable clips from First Star Value, find the link below in the video description and tell them SamProof sent you. Or this will happen! And as always, guys, stay strong and join me live streaming nearly every single day, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on YouTube. And coming back to Sundays, we'll be doing interactive games like trivia, Pictionary, and other things like that. What are you doing? With my co-host, Betty, and or Iris, depending who's around. You have anything to say? You good?
I do. Hello!
All right. We're actually saying goodbye.
Okay, goodbye. Why? Why are we saying goodbye?
Because it's the end of the video.
I want to say more.
Like, stay strong?
No, I want to do more of the video.
Well, we already did everything.
I want to do more.
Like what?
Just do more.
We could do a different video.
I'll hold it to my heart.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay strong. And Valentine's Day is coming up. So we'll be making a Valentine's Day pizza. We'll see what that's like. Is that your heart, Betty?
Mm-hmm.
Boom, 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 boom. Show him. Betty made this last year.
For Dada.
Show it. Show it. All right. Stay strong.
Stay strong.
Bye,
Now
guys.
we're going to do the Valentine's video.
Yeah. Right now. Are a silicone cable clip with an adhesive back. You get about a dozen of them in a bag, and they come in these three colors. Look below in the video description to find a link so you can pick a pack of colorful cable clips. No, these little guys are dropping on the floor.